Fine. So the question is, if a charged body is placed near a neutral conductor, it will attract the conductor or repel the conductor. Okay. So this is not only a body, any general body, it is a conducting body. It's a conductor. It's a conductor. Okay. We have a charged body. Okay, which is brought near to the neutral conductor. It is brought nearer to the neutral conductor. Okay, what will happen, whether it will attract or repel? Reply in the chat box, A or R, attract or repel. Small a, small r. Most of you are giving the correct answer. I have got only one wrong answer. Okay, we'll correct that answer. Second wrong answer I got now. Okay, see, a charged body induces charge in the neutral body. See, this is a conductor. Conductor has free electrons. Conductor has free electrons in it. Okay, conductor has free electrons in it. So when a positive charge, when a positively charged body is brought nearer to the conductor, okay, free electrons in the conductor are gathered in this region. Free electrons in the conductor are gathered in this region, and this region has more number of electrons than the protons, so this region becomes negatively charged, and this region becomes positively charged because this region has less number of electrons than the protons. So what happens, the negative charge is gathered near this area, or is gathered here, and here we have less number of electrons than the protons, so this region becomes positively charged. Okay, so now this negative charge is nearer to this positive charge. So this positive negative, there will be attraction, there will be the force of attraction, there will be the force of attraction, and this positive positive, this positive positive, there will be the force of repulsion.